Open our website and click on register. You will be redirected to this register form. Enter your first name, last name, email address and department. Okay, now you have to choose three coordinate values based on your understanding such that distance between any two coordinates is greater than or equal to 10. Distances will be auto calculated in this form. You can see here. You also have to provide rating weightage for each coordinate such that sum of three rating weightage will be exactly 10. So sum will be also auto calculated whenever you enter the rating values. Okay, now let's put the first coordinate values. Click on here view map, so you can zoom in and zoom out the map. Okay, so you can see here that we have put the coordinate values row wise and column wise in decimal form 1 2 3 4 5 6, and here also 1 2 3 4 5 6. So let's say, and one thing more, that we have put a red line, bold red line after each 10th coordinate, so row wise and also column wise. Okay, now let's say I want to choose this coordinate value based on my understanding. So this is my first coordinate. So how can I calculate the coordinate value? So first I have to choose the x direction. So now from above to down there is only one red line I have crossed. So this is 10, so 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So this is 17, x coordinate is 17. Okay, and what is the y coordinate? So y coordinate is 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So 17 and 25. This is my first coordinate. Okay, so I am putting 17, 25. Okay, you can also see from here. Okay, you can see here that 17. Okay, this row is 17 and column value is 25, or you can calculate from your own. Now you put the second coordinate value. So let's say I am putting the second coordinate value as 20, 30. Okay, so you can see here that a pop-up distance should be greater than or equal to 10. So distance between 17 and 25 and 20 and 30 is not greater than equal to 10. Okay, so you have to put another coordinate value, choose another coordinate value from here and put here. Okay, so let's say I am putting this value as 50. So here now you can see that the coordinate value is greater than 10, that is 25.17, that is shown here. Okay, so this constraint is satisfied, such that you have to put a coordinate value in also coordinate 3. Okay, so yeah, this constraint is also satisfied. Okay, now you have to put the rating values based on your understanding. So let's say I want to put rating weightage highest on coordinate 2 because I prefer coordinate 2 much more than coordinate 1 and coordinate 3. Okay, so let's say I am putting here a value of 5. So you can see that remaining weightage is 5. So you have to put weight on coordinate 1 and coordinate 2 such that the sum of weightage should be 5. Okay, because the remaining weightage is now 5. Now let's say after coordinate 2 I want to prefer coordinate 1. Okay, so I am putting here a value of 3. Now the remaining is 2, so I have to put here 2. So I am preferring, so total is 10. So you can see that remaining weightage is 0. Okay, so if you have mistaken and put here 3, so yeah, you can see that sum is 11 and a pop-up that sum of 3 coordinate ratings should be equal to 10. So let's say here I am putting 2. Okay, so from this rating weightage we can have a clear understanding that I am putting highest rating weightage on coordinate 2 because I am preferring coordinate 2 much more. Then I am preferring coordinate 1, and then I am preferring coordinate 3. Okay, So that is how we have calculated rating. Now you have to choose a text based on your understanding that why you have uh, chosen these coordinates specific to be specific. Okay, so let's say I am saying that this location is near PG hostel. Okay, so that is the reason why I have put the coordinate 1. Okay, so there are many more reasons you have to put this reason why you have chosen this coordinate. Okay, now another thing is left, that is start time and end time. So what is start time and end time? That is in which time crowd involvement is more in coordinate 1 or coordinate 2 or coordinate 3. So the time is, so let's say uh, from 10:30 to 12. So from 10:30, sorry, yeah, so from 10:30 to 12 the crowd involvement is more in coordinate 1. Okay, so just put these values for coordinate 2 and coordinate 3, and you have to remember that the star marks fields are required. Okay, if you don't fill up the star mark uh, places, then the form will not be submitted. At last you have to click on submit and submit the form. Okay, and your response will be recorded. Thank you.